This is a side with a wooden tree, used big time up until the late 1960s to cut corn, grass and hay. Men cut 1 acre meadow in a day with the side. Now, the side would have to be mounted properly to make it easy cutting. You have a wooden tree and two shrubs or durnings as they are called locally. Now, those durnings have to be placed in the correct positions. From this bottom durning down to the heel of the side, it would be 1 arm's length from the tips of your fingers to your chin, like so. And the blade would have to be 1 arm's length again from the durning to the tip of the blade. The distance between the bottom and top durning then would be the length of your arm from your elbow to the tip of your fingers. Now, first of all, this would have to be shot, and it was shot with an edging stone.